compassion for others. Let us love one another, for love is of God, and every one that loveth is born of God, and knoweth God. And this commandment have we from him, that he who loveth God love his brother also. 1 John chapter 4 verse 7 and 21. If you would know the measure of your love for God, just observe your love for your fellow man. Our compassion for others is an accurate gauge of our devotion to God. Some time ago, with some friends, I went through a museum in San Francisco. Among other things, we saw a collection of instruments of torture which were employed by religious people to force other people to believe as they did. History is largely the record of man's inhumanity to man. Prayer for the day. Lord God, fill my heart that I may love with the compassion of Jesus.